This is African Literature Advance, The Famished Road, written by Ben Okri. Set in an unnamed African village, Nigerian author Ben Okri's novel, The Famished Road tells the story of Azaro, who is a spirit child or a bhikkhu, a term used to describe a child who is destined to die before reaching puberty in African literature and in African traditions and cultures. A highly acclaimed work, The Famished Work received the prestigious Man Booker Prize for Fiction. From a very young age, Azaro and his family know he is a spirit child. His powers manifest in a number of ways, including vivid dreams in which he can see the future. Azaro most often sees spirits try to interact with the material world. These spirits beckon him and force him to leave his body for longer periods of time, during which Azaro appears to be dead in front of everyone. In fact, on one occasion, he woke up in a coffin after his parents thought their son had died, and it happened because of her long visions of dreams he was having, because spirits had taken his soul out and left his body dead for sleeping for a very long time. There is a spiritual ritual designed to sever a child's ties to the spirit world, but Azaro's parents could not afford it because they were not financially well. As time goes on, Azaro grows to understand more about his powers. One day, he has a premonition that prompts him to flee, to escape, to run away from his family's compound, causing his parents to follow him. And moments later, the compound erupts in flames. After being captured by a group of priestesses who hope to harness his power for themselves, कि वो उसे priest पादरी उसे पकड़कर इसलिए ले गए because they wanted to extract all of the powers of Azaro. Azaro escapes to the home of a police officer in order to save his life from those priests. There he sees the spirit of the officer's dead son, कि वो जहाँ भागकर अपनी जान बचाने के लिए जिस पुलिस ऑफिसर के घर में छुपता है, उन पुलिस से वहाँ पे वो उस घर में वो उस पुलिस ऑफिसर के मरे हुए बेटे की रूह को देखता है. Who attempts to possess Azaro, जो Azaro को पकड़ने की कोशिश करती है. Fortunately, Azaro's mother arrives just in time to rescue her son. As the family continues to struggle financially, Azaro makes friends with local bar owner, Madame Koto, कि उसके घर के पास एक बार था जिसकी ओनर का नाम था मैडम कोटो, who often feeds the boy, जो अक्सर अजारो को खाना खिलाती थी, और अजारो ने उसके साथ दोस्ती कर ली when his parents can't afford food. After Koto hangs a magical talisman known as a fetish above the doorway to her establishment, Azaro notices that it attracts all manner of grotesque spirits. कि जो जादुई talisman मैडम कोटो ने अपने बार के दरवाजे के ऊपर लटकाया था, अजारो ने ये नोटिस किया कि इट इज़ अट्रैक्टिंग ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ स्पिरिट्स, कि ये हर तरह की रूहों को अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है. नाउ आफ्टर नैरोली एस्केपिंग कैप्चर बाय द स्पिरिट्स, उन स्पिरिट्स से किसी न किसी तरह से एस्केप फरार होने के बाद, अजारो गेट्स लॉस्ट एंड कम्स डाउन विद मलेरिया, कि वो गुम जाता है और फिर जब वापस आता है ही इज़ इन्फेक्टेड विद मलेरिया. आफ्टर फाइंडिंग हिज वे होम, घर वापस आने के बाद एंड मेकिंग अ फुल रिकवरी और कम्प्लीटली सेहतयाब हो जाने के बाद, अजारो स्टील्स द फेटिश. अजारो उस फेटिश को, टैलिस्मैन को, जो मैडम कोटो ने हैज हैंग्ड ओवर द threshold of her bar, Azaro steals that fetish, which causes the spirits to pursue him. After managing to lose his pursuers, Azaro buries the fetish, कि वो उस fetish को, उस तावीज़ को दफन कर देता है, hoping to banish the malevolent spirits, ताकि रूहें आसपास भटकने से मना हो जाएं. As election season begins, election का सीजन जो था वो करीब था, the warring political parties roam the streets in vans, के political parties जिन्होंने election में हिस्सा लिया था, they were roaming the streets in vans, blaring out propaganda from loudspeakers. When the party of the rich distributes tainted milk to the populace and people get sick, लोग उस खराब दूध को पीने के बाद बीमार हो गए. The villagers retaliate by attacking one of the party's vans, beating the men inside कि उन्होंने क्यों लोगों को वोट हासिल करने के लिए खराब दूध बेचा, and setting the vehicle on fire. Jeremiah, a local journalist who published photos of the incident, is forced to hide out in Azaro's home to avoid party-affiliated men who want him dead. The political factions are more akin to rival street gangs than traditional parties, and supporting the wrong party can invite verbal harassment or physical assault. After Koto expresses her support for the party of the rich, मैडाम कोटो अपना जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है उसको सबसे अमीर तरीन पार्टी को सपोर्ट करती है. The clientele in her bar becomes much sleazier. Before long, thugs and prostitutes begin to scare away many of her regulars. As Koto's fortune swells, Koto अमीर होना शुरू हुई. Azaro's family slides deeper into financial ruin. During the rainy season, Azaro's ceiling leaks for 2 straight weeks, nearly collapsing. Despite this, the landlord raises the family's rent. Following a dispute with Azaro's father कि घर की छत लीक होने के बावजूद घर के जो ओनर था उसने घर का जो रेंट था उसको बढ़ाया. And Azaro's father had a dispute with the owner of the house as well. The father copes by spending more time at Koto's bar, where he gets into physical brawls over political disputes. Now, meanwhile, Azaro continues to be plagued by malevolent spirits, including a 3-headed ghost who is angered by Azaro's refusal to follow him into the spirit world. कि Azaro इस किस्म की spirits को देखता था. One day, the spirits trick Azaro. एक दिन उन तमाम रूहों ने Azaro को पागल बनाया into smashing a blind man's window. In retribution, Azaro's father savagely beats his son. Fed up with his father, बाप से तंग होने के बाद Azaro allows himself to be drawn into the spirit world. कि बाप के साथ लड़ाई होने के बाद Azaro ने क्या किया? He allowed himself to be lost into the spirit world by the 3-headed spirit. Once there, he angrily allows himself to become lost until finally his parents manage to rouse him with the help of some herbalist. कि अजारो ने अपने आप को उन स्पिरिट्स के हवाले कर दिया अपने बाप से जान छुड़वाने की खातिर, लेकिन आफ्टर अ फ्यू टाइम उसके जो पेरेंट्स थे उन्होंने उसे जगा लिया था फ्रॉम दैट डीप स्लम्बर विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम हर्बलिस्ट. Azaro's father begins to channel his violence into boxing. However, while this is a healthier outlet for his anger than beating up his own son or getting into fights with thugs at the bar, तो उसके बाप ने क्या किया? अब इधर उधर गुस्सा उतारने के बजाय उसने अपने उस टैलेंट को बॉक्सिंग के अंदर जो था वो करना शुरू किया यूज. He soon becomes obsessed and practically stops working altogether. Azaro's father christens himself द ब्लैक टाइगर. अपने आप को वो इस ब्लैक टाइगर का लेबल देता है एंड बिगिन्स टू अर्न अ रेप्यूटेशन इन द कम्युनिटी एज अ पॉपुलर फाइटर. सम ऑफ द ब्लैक टाइगर्स एनिमीज, ब्लैक टाइगर्स यानी अजारो के बाप के कुछ जो दुश्मन थे, ब्रिंग इन एन एनॉर्मस मैन कॉल्ड द ग्रीन लेपर्ड टू चैलेंज हिम टू अ फाइट. तो अजारो के बाप के जो दुश्मन थे फाइट के अंदर उससे फाइट कराने के लिए एक बहुत एनॉर्मस आदमी को, बहुत बड़े आदमी को जिसका नाम ग्रीन लेपर्ड था, लेकर आए. The black tiger bets all his money on himself, barely managing to defeat the green leopard in a vicious bout. The black tiger narrowly escapes with his life. बड़ी मुश्किल से वो अपनी जान बचाता है, spending a few days in a coma, plagued by his own spirits. When the black tiger recovers, he resolves to run for political office. The Black Tiger has one more fight at Madame Koto's. के एक और फाइट हुई अजारो के बाप की मैडाम कोटो के बार में. This time against a man in a white suit. After enduring blow after vicious blows, the Black Tiger pulls off his opponent's suit. कि वो अपने दुश्मन के कपड़े खींच लेता है, revealing a grotesque, terrifying spirit. और ये देखता है कि एक दुश्मन की डिस्गाइज में वो एक बहुत खौफनाक किस्म की स्पिरिट थी. As the crowd recoils in horror, the black tiger knocks out the spirit and returns home badly beaten. He sleeps for 3 days battling other spirits in his head. When the black tiger wakes up, जब उसका बाप अज़ारो का बाप यानी ब्लैक टाइगर जागता है, having defeated the forces of evil, Azaro is finally at peace, no longer tormented by spirits himself. Now the अब सारी स्पिरिट्स को उसके बाप ने डिफीट कर दिया था. Now Azaro is finally set free. The Famished Road also is a hallucinatory story with striking imagery of both the spirit world and the real world.